So over here you can see that I have some content over here on this page, and if you want to apply out some preset styles, then you can easily do that by going around onto the styles on the left side. So if you were to go around and click on styles, then you can see that there are palettes from the recent images that you use over here. For example, you can go around and click, and that color palette will be applied onto the design right here. Right now nothing is seen because it mostly selected out white color right here, but if I were to click again and again, you can see that it circles through the different colors that are there on that palette. You can go around over here onto, let's say, my first palette over here as well, and you can see that that color scheme is now applied. You can go around over here onto different color palettes there are, and you can click on show more and choose the one you like, and that color palette will be applied. You can click on it to shuffle, just like this, time and again, until you get the color scheme that you want. You can go around over here as well, and then go around over here as well, and choose the palette, and see that even the fonts associated with the palettes are changed out. You can also go around and change out the font combination that you have right here, and you can choose the one that you like, just like this. And that is how you can go around and quickly change out your design colors by using these preset styles. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.